Right now, we did the process. We got through that, and there was whatever 10 or 15 steps, from all the way from design all the way to inspection. And then we figured out the pace. We looked at the space using the plans, and we quadranted it into weekly increments, because that's the pace of most projects. And now we're going to be talking about how do we prepare to do the work we're about to do. So what's the work? That's what we're actually installing. So in our big process map, one of the items up there was to install. All right, and there was stuff before it and one or two things after process, right? So this is a big process. We want to look at this and break this down even further, because why are we doing that? I have the foremen in here that have been doing this work for 10, 20, 30 years, maybe a couple of it's 5 or 6 years, and they know this work. They know it like getting up and coming to work every day. It's just automatic for them. So why are we doing this? Well, we want to get them out of their automatic mode, and we want them to talk about their work, and this will make them uncomfortable, or make you uncomfortable. Why? Well, because it's stuff you do automatically, and now if I have to think about it, it's going to take me a little bit of time to vet through that, right? Well, that's okay. We want them to. They actually have fun with it, right? And they start to talk about the process of installation. What is the installation process, right? Because I want to be as prepared as I can be. I want to think about anything that could cause me a problem, things that have caused me a problem in the past. How long should each thing take? You know, if we're using, let's say if we're using, are we going to use prefab? That would have been up in the big process. Yeah, we have prefab. So what, in the installation, what's the first thing? I have to order what we call a MIT, my material, information, and tools. So the foreman would put that up there. He said, well, I also have to have a delivery of all the prefab, and I would expect that when? Oh, we'd like to see that Friday, but no later than Friday afternoon. So that when we start, we're going to move it to the area of work for Monday morning. So the team shows up ready to go. They've got their MIT, material, information, and tools. They have their prefab that they're going to use. Maybe it's elbows or racks because it's underground. And they're ready to start their work. And then we get into the hard part. Tell me about how you're going to install that rack. And we get them to talk through that.